Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be heading to Zakopane. We're going to be heading on the bus, so I'll see you then for the rest of this trip. Enjoy the video.
Sun is out here overseas. Dark emotions ever torn so deep, falling down through the clouds. I'm feeling you. Stay away from me. You keep haunting me.
We're in Zakopane now. It's very wintry, very Christmassy, and very nice. Smells nice walking around here as well. This is like the little main strip that they've got down here. This is a tram that goes up the slope somewhere, but we don't know where, so we're going to find out. Ooh. Very picturesque up here. Right guys, it's the next morning now, so we've nearly completed our 24 hours in Zakopane. So just wanted to give some information on the actual place we're staying in, Villa Biochip, I hope that is how it's pronounced. £52 a night it's cost us. Considering it's right near Christmas, I don't think that is a bad price to pay at all. Now in terms of if you come in here just for a 24-hour visit, we ended up paying, I think it was around £5 or something along them lines each for a return from KRAKOW to Zakopane on the bus. You can get that from the bus station. Just buy your tickets, just go in and ask her for your bus. But we bought ours online, but you can buy them there. It ended up costing us, I think it was £5. We're only doing 24 hours because we're not into the winter sports, snowboarding, skiing and things like that. Otherwise you'd probably end up doing a lot longer in here. In terms of the slopes, if you just walk down the main strip, then there is like a cable car type thing that takes you right up to the top of one of the mountain edges there. I'm not too sure if you can ski up there, but you get a nice view. That's where I was yesterday in the vlog. And you can also head around, 50-minute walk towards the other part of the mountains, towards Tatra Mountains. That will take around 50 minutes to walk, but if you don't want to walk, you can take a taxi, or if you're here for a few days, maybe hire a car and drive up there. It's to a place called Kuznais, I think it's called. But that takes you right to the middle of the mountains, and you've got to get up a ski lift that takes you to the top, which is where you find the borders of Poland and Slovakia up there. In terms of weather, we're looking at -7, -8, and more beautifully, I'll show you in a second, we've woken up to it snowing as well, which also adds to the lovely atmosphere. But in terms of here, bed's very comfy, The shower's very warm. In terms of heating, it's very warm in here, considering it's absolutely freezing outside, which is what you're looking for, I'd say, from an accommodation of a £52 a night for 2 people. Not bad value at all. And there we go. Some light flurries of snow, if the camera can pick it up. But you got the mountains literally just in the background, right there. And like I said, just head up 2 or 3 miles up that way. We'll take you to, because it's nice to go up them mountains, and head around 20-minute walk that way will take you up to them parts of the mountains up there with the trees. Yeah, very cozy and nice. So there we go, ladies and gentlemen. Breakfast, absolutely delicious. It's a lovely homely feel. This villa's owned by a private person, so you can book it. We booked it on booking.com, so you can find it on there. Everything's legit. So there we go. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed this 24 hours in Zakopane, don't forget, leave a big thumbs up, subscribe if you're interested in more content, check out my other Poland vlogs coming up very soon, and don't forget also, you can check out my social media links in description below, and I'll see you all again for the next video. Peace.